Places such as these have to be efficient. If they were not water efficient, they could not afford to water. Typically, a park like this or any municipality gauges their use on inches, meaning an inch worth of water over the area of grass is what they're using as their metric to be able to tell whether they're being conservative. At your house, you don't typically do that. You just water to be green. And if a municipality just watered to be green, they would use likely 30% more water than what they do otherwise. So what this means is a place like this, their goal would be to use 15 to 25 inches worth of water. What that means is all this grass over the entire season would consume enough water to be able to cover it in 15 to 25 inches worth of water. Now, the ironic thing is the people that are complaining about water use in many cases are using significantly more. Studies show that homeowners in areas that have green grass are using, I can't use my hands because it's too deep, they're using 60 to 80 inches. I don't even know if that's on the screen. That's the depth of water they're using for the same amount of grass. So if you're talking about a simple square foot of grass, the metric is scalable no matter what you're talking about, simply because it is an inch based across the whole area. And that's something that most people don't realize, is that a municipality, they can't afford to water that much. Everybody thinks that they have an abundance of money. The reality is the budget is tight for everybody, but they work at such a large scale, it sounds like they have an unlimited budget. You might ask why the sprinklers run so long. A lot of times the sprinklers will be running for 8-10 hours at a time, moving zone to zone. Every single night you'll see them running. But the reason for that is their systems are designed to put the water down at a slower rate than the house systems or the homeowner systems. So the system is only designed to be able to supply the amount of water that it needs over the entire season, because it's not budget effective for them to be able to supply enough water to be able to water within a couple of hours each night. If they were to do that, a system in a place like this might run $750,000 to be able to install it. If they were to try to build a system of that size, it would be more like $3 million, which is not realistic. And we wouldn't have the water to supply to be able to supply them for that short period of time. Please show support for your local community by liking this content and sharing amongst those that live around you. And follow me for more content like this.